Namaskar. Now let us see what happens inside our body when we do Pada Chakra, indications and contraindications of this asana. Now coming to who should not do this asana, that's before knowing its benefits. So people with sciatica, slip disc and chronic back pain, chronic back issues, they should avoid doing this asana. Though it may seem like we are moving our legs and no other part of the body is engaged, it engages our core muscles and also ligaments and connective tissues near our lower back region. It sometimes uncontrollably goes jerky movements, so it is better to avoid sciatica patients and also slip disc herniation and problems pertaining to spinal area. For spinal issues, sciatica, those problems, there are other good asanas which helps relieve the sciatic pain, come out of that problem. 100% assured results you can see in those asanas. So coming to this Pada Chakra. Pada Chakra helps tonify our abdominal region. It opens our hip joint. It tones hip muscles and it engages our core as well as our pelvic region. It's good for lower limb issues and also morbid matter accumulation in the hip region. It aligns the pelvis and also it improves the flexibility of that region. So let's see how to do this asana. Now let's see how to do Pada Chakra. For Pada Chakra, we have to take supine pose, both our hands near our body, palms facing downwards. From here, we have to inhale and raise our left leg till 60 degrees. Now from here, we are going to do a rotation 5 times clockwise and 5 times counterclockwise direction. Now let's see. 1, 2, we have to keep the knee straight. 3, as our legs goes downwards, we have to exhale, and as it comes upwards, we have to inhale. 4, 5, slowly exhale and keep the legs downwards. Once having completed the left side, we have to do the same in the right side. Once we completed clockwise direction, now we have to do reverse direction. Inhale and raise the leg, do the opposite direction. We have to take our legs as down to the ground as possible and as near to our body as possible when it comes up. This is a 2, it's a 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is basic level of Pada Chakra practice. Now once we get comfortable in this basic Pada Chakra practice, we can do with both the legs, which is the perfect Pada Chakra practice. Inhale and raise both the legs till 45 to 60 degrees and do rotation clockwise 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do the same in the this is counterclockwise direction. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in Asana. Thank you.